See how sometimes it clicks over and it doesn't change anything? Sometimes it does change. Yeah, that's no good. I had this camera for 6 years. Do I go get another camera? I really don't want to spend thousands of dollars. So I've ordered this part from Canon. I'll either repair it myself or take it to a place to get repaired. Sucks. There's the naughty part, the old one. And there's the new one. Let's see if the camera works. There we go. Alright. Now let's try the dial. Every time I turn the dial, it changes now. So the new dial definitely fixed it. So now we're good to go. All done.